Namaste everyone. So today I want to take you through my Nika haul. First up, let me show you something which I was super excited to win. That's the Estée Lauder pouch. So basically Estée Lauder had this really cool gaming sort of stall where there was a puzzle which I had to put together, and I won. And then I got like this cute scrunchie and these couple of sample testers. I haven't tried it, so I'm really excited to try it. Next up was this Fenty tester. So basically these are having all the shades of their foundation, I guess. Haven't tested this out as well, so I'm looking forward to try it out. Next up is Clinique. Now this is something which I haven't opened up, so let me just do it right away. Okay, wow, so I've opened it up and let's see what this has. Oh my god, it has some goodies to eat. And I also got this, which has, I guess, some, it has the Surge. They are classic products tester. Great. A product which is from a brand which I have actually tried, the Innisfree vitamin C green tea enzyme brightening serum. So I can't wait to try this one out because I'm already using their face wash at the moment. And then of course I'm really happy to have received Laneige. Okay, so now this is actually a lip balm which I hadn't tried for the longest time, and I finally got my hands on a sample for the same. So I am totally looking forward to try this beautiful lip balm. So I'm actually going to be sharing you more about it when I actually try it out, right? Next one is the Moroccan Oil. Now we received this at one of their stalls, and this is again, they are a very popular product, so I'm gonna try this one out too and probably share how that went. So HK Vitals actually had like this entire stall. I tasted the wedge collagen, and there are sachets for both. There's also a sipper that's really cool. This is also pretty cool. We've got 2 travel pack sizes of the product. There's a cleanser as well as a moisturizing lotion. There was a really interesting memory game which they had at the stall, and then they have given us like these entire sachet packs of all their bestsellers. I'm so excited to try them. I'm really excited for this one. Carolina Herrera's perfume stall, they gave us a tester. So that was that. And then we also got like this complimentary, this wasn't complimentary, I had to click a picture and tag them to get this really cool looking bag. So Nika has come up with a new range, and then there were like these biscuits with the shiny drink at the first stall as you enter. So we got this as well. And then there was a Caudalie stall as well. So these guys have come up with a new product, so they have given us a tester for that. So we'll try that one out too. And I guess that's about it. That's my haul. Okay, I additionally also want to show you the haul of my mom. So apart from all of these, my mom got a couple of few more goodies. So this one is from L'Oreal. So she won the game and she got a full-size product. Isn't that so cool? And it's actually apt for her. So I'm really happy for her. Then she also got like this Maybelline goodie. I think this is something from their new range. It is, I guess, an eye product. And look at this, guys. This was the best. So she stood for MAC. We are great fans of MAC, and she got like these really cute keychain, and this is a mirror which looks like a compact, and the beautiful red bag. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed our Nykaa Land haul.